Hey everyone, today I'm going to show y'all how I prepare my chicken for cooking, which chicken to buy, how to take, I guess me taking out of the package, and then I guess opening it up and maybe cutting out the nasty little bits, and yeah, and then seasoning it. So stay tuned if you want to see me do that. Here's the chicken I have. It's organic. And because it has 3 stars, you know it's a happy chicken, and that's very important because you want to buy animals that have had a happy life, because it's already sad that you're eating it, so at least buy ones that have had a happy life before they die. Okay? This is 171 grams. I don't know if y'all care, but yeah, that's how much it weighs. And now I'm going to open it. Okay, ta-da, there it is. Now I will grab my cutting board. Here we go. And I will put the chicken on the cutting board. Have you noticed that too? Like the part you can see always looks much better, and like the bottom is always like that. Well, that's just how it is, I guess. What I do then is I kind of open it up and feel kind of gross because I touched raw chicken, and I'm going to weirdly wash my hands like a weirdo. Maybe I'm supposed to, I don't know, but okay, now I'll try to cut off the nasty bits. Find the right knife. Sharpen it a bit, which I'll do off camera because it's kind of hard to do it with this angle. If you want to see me do it, then watch the video on how to have sharp knives, okay? Now, okay, this is a nasty bit. Okay, I could just, ew, ew, ew. Ew, okay, ew, ew, okay. That's just, I guess, some membrane or whatever. Okay, this side doesn't look too bad. It's this side that looks bad. And I will now try, and maybe fail, to cut this off. Okay, I don't know what this is. It's like blood or something. Maybe we'll just leave that on. I don't know. Haven't decided yet. It's kind of late already, so I don't really want to waste too much time. It's getting dark. No, it's sticking to me. Stop it! Okay, there we go. There are more nasty bits. I don't mind it that much, but so I'll leave it on, but y'all can like take off more if you want, okay? Now I'll quickly wash the knife, because I do that immediately. Yeah, and then we'll continue later. The next thing that you need to do is you need to dry it with some paper towel. That's really important because that will make it cook much better and make it more juicy, okay? I know it might sound a little counterintuitive because you might think water makes it juicy, but no, okay? Trust me. And also, removing the water will make the spice go more inside the chicken. Make sure you dry it really well. Okay. Now we'll start seasoning it. Here's the seasoning I'll be using. I'll start off with this at least. This is chicken seasoning. It has paprika and coriander and obviously salt, because a lot of pre-mixed stuff have salt in it. Preferably I would not want to have the salt in it because the salt would draw out more moisture from the chicken and make it more chewy, which isn't good because we want it nice and juicy. Right, guys? Oh, and also, if you have one of those hammer things and you want your chicken to be like more evenly cooked, then you should smash the chicken really hard, okay? And then you'll know it's dead. I'm gonna season it so much, it's gonna be like pretty much suffocated. So then I'll know it's dead anyway, just in case it's still magically alive. You never know these days, right? Okay. Is it suffocated yet? I don't know. What I'll do now is I'll give it a nice massage. Okay? It's good practice for your significant other. If you have one. I don't. But that's okay. I'm enjoying my single life. Okay. Right. This is pretty much massaged in. My hands are dirty, so I'm gonna rinse them because I'm weird. Maybe that's not weird, I don't know. After that seasoning, I will add, let me think. I feel like having curry powder, a little bit of this, cayenne pepper, some garlic, and I guess that's it. I change it up sometimes, but today I'm feeling like this, okay? Okay, sometimes it doesn't really want to come out real fast because we want to have a lot of seasoning because that makes it extra yummy. And you know, you can't be a sissy in life, so you add more spices, okay? And yeah, if it's a little spicy, you know, there's always some water to have. Okay? I mean, it's better to be spicy and hot than bland and boring, right? Okay, now it's looking like a party. That's what you want. But it's not party enough. So more cayenne pepper. Doo-doo-doo. Some garlic, not too much, especially not if it's date night. Okay, now you massage it in. Do-do-do. Do-do-do. As you can see, I haven't massaged in a very long time. That's okay. Okay. Okay, I quickly rinsed my hands real quick, and now we'll flip the chicken and do the same thing on the other side. Because you can't be half bland, right? Gotta be all fun and parties. Okay, okay. That looks gross. We'll just ignore that, okay? Now, if it's still breathing, after this it won't. And it's also a good test because there's pepper in here. If it sneezes, it's alive. Oh wait, chickens can't taste spice. But okay, whatever, we'll just pretend as if it can. Okay, that should be about enough because the other side already has quite a bit. Now add the curry. This is not good for my nails, but you know, that's life. Can't be worrying too much about that. See, shaking doesn't do much, okay? I don't know whether you have to like slap its butt. That makes it like, you know, much better. It listens better. Oh wait, did I just promote? Okay, forget I said that. I really need to learn to think before I say stuff. Right, people? Okay. Cayenne pepper. It's looking like a real party. Now we go back to massaging it in. First I kind of pat it a bit, because massaging moves it around a lot. Oh, this gets some in between. If you guys feel like you need to sneeze, just say the word pineapple a few times, like so, like pineapple, 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 and the sneeze will most likely go away. Isn't that cool? It's a life hack. Free life hacks for y'all. Okay. When you're sure that chicken isn't sneezing and breathing, you're done. Whew. I'm gonna rinse that off again, because ew, raw chicken is bad. Remember to wash your hands, everyone, because raw chicken can have salmonella. So, guys, I don't want y'all to get sick. Yeah, the reason I don't smash the chicken is because I don't have a hammer thing, and because I kind of like having like a kind of more, like a different like range of like textures. Like a little bit drier here, and then a thicker bit will be like a lot juicier. I just kind of like the gradient. Okay guys, to make it extra yummy, it's good to leave the spices on for quite a bit before you start cooking it. This will make sure that the yummy taste kind of like seeps into the chicken more. So yeah, you should do that. So guys, that's how I prepare my chicken. I guess you don't have to do it like I do it, but I like to have it a little spicy and fun because yeah, I don't like boring and bland. So yeah, if you want to see me cook it, let me know and I'll make a video of that. And please like and subscribe if you like the video. If you don't, please don't, okay? And feel free to leave me a comment below. Okay? Cool. Thanks for watching.